Dear students, good morning. Previously, we solved so many problems from the exercises 4.1, 2 and 3 we solved. Now we are going to solve the problems in the exercise 4.4. Here, previously I taught the theorems concept of minor and cofactor. Minor and cofactor. Minor is about an element of any row, any column of the matrix, of the given square matrix. And cofactor is also, it is related with minor, and that minor of an element is multiplied by -1 power I plus j, where I is ith row and j is jth column. Everything is taught clearly. We solved some examples also. Now, related with those concepts, minor and cofactor, this exercise 4.4 is there. Okay now? Yeah. Now we are going to solve this one. Observe. Before going to that one, I want to tell minor already is there. Minor of a matrix A is equal to A. Directly minor of a matrix not given. Minor of 1, for example, of capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Just you assume. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Observe me. Actually, the minor of what I taught you, the minor of any element, say A11 of the matrix capital A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. But this A11 means, observe me, the row and column where the element for which we are finding the minor, that element A11 we are finding the minor, that element containing row 1 and that element lies in the column 1. You have to delete those row and column. The remaining determinant, it is denoted by M, capital letter M11 is equal to A22, A23, A32, A33. Like this, I taught you. Okay now? Okay. Now, one more example. You see, here only, for example, the minor of, say, A22. A22 means, you see, A22. The minor is always related with the element of any row of any column of the given matrix. Here we are asking the minor of A22. A22 is the element. First you find the column and row where the element lies. Now you delete that one. We are getting these elements. After deleting the ith and jth row and column of a particular element of the matrix for which we are finding the minor, you delete that one. The remaining elements are like this. Now you find the determinant. That is we know it. Like this it is going on. It is actually clearly it is asked. It is given the definition. But now the minor of 2 by 2 matrix. Here the matrix is 3 by 3. Here 2 by 2 matrix means here also the same concept. For example, the minor of 1. 1 is an element of the given matrix A 2 by 2. You delete that row and column where 1 is lying. So here is a 4. 4 is the minor for 1. Suppose minor of 3 we are asked of the matrix A. The same one. Means, you see, the 3 is lying in the second row and first column. After deleting the row and column where the element 3 is lying, you delete, then we get a 2. Okay now? Suppose minor of 4 we are asked. We delete the row where the 4 lies and column where it lies. If we delete the row and column, we get only 1. Like this we have to find. Here, similarly, one more concept is there. Cofactor also related with the element. The same way, cofactor of 1 of the matrix A. You find the minor and it is multiplied by -1 power. The 1 is lying in the first column, so 1 plus 1. Okay, now? And minor. Already we know the minor. Minor is 4 for 1. Already we solve. So it is plus 4. That is the cofactor. Suppose cofactor of, we need 2. The 2 is lying in tell me, it is lying in row 1 and second column. The row where it lies is deleted and the column where it lies. So after deleting the row and the column, we get 3. This is minor. You know it. It is -1 power. Its position is row 1 but column 2. Will you agree? Row 1, column 2. And it is m, simply m. It is -1 whole cube. M is, we know it. For 2, the minor is, after deleting the row and column, this is 3 is minor. So it is -2. Okay, now? Like this, we have to find. That is the minor and the cofactor. Okay, now? Yeah. Okay. You see, by using that concepts minor and cofactors of number 1 problem, it is solution. Solutions. 1 Roman problem. First one. A is equal to, it is determinant 2 minus 4 0 3 is given. Okay, now the minor of 2 is, it is M11 because it is in the first row and the first column. That row and column is deleted. So we get 3. Okay, now? Here only the cofactor of 2. Here only I want to solve. What is the position? The 2 is the position 1 plus 1 and M1. It is -1 square and it is 3. So it is 3 volts. Already we discussed. Similarly, minor of -4. -4. You see, You delete the row minus 4 lines and column. It is M12. It is related with row 1 and column 2. M12. So it is after deleting row and column we get a 0. But cofactor of minus 4 is minus 1 power 1 plus 2 and M1. It is minus 1 cube into 0. So it is 0 1. Similarly, minor of 0. It is M21. It is M21 because it is the second row and the first column. So after deleting this one, the row and the column. So we get 4 minus 4. Okay, now minus 4 is there. So cofactor of 0 is minus 1 power 2 plus 1. Its position, the 0 position, the element position is 2 1, second row, first column. And it is minus 1 cube into minus 4. It is minus 1 into minus 4. Again we get 4. The last one. The minor of, what is the minor of 3? That is M22. It is second row and the second column. You see, after deleting that row and column, we get 1 to 2. But cofactor of the same element 3 is minus 1 power the same position. The position of the 3, second row, second column, into M2. That is minus 1 power 4 into 2. M22 is already solved. So it is 2 volts. Why? Because minus 1 power 4 is a plus 1. Plus 1 into 2 is a 2. Okay, now? Like that, we may calculate the minor and the cofactors of 2 by 2 matrix. It's a different one. Now, second one. Triple A is equal to, assume the determinant is A, C, B, D. We are given A, C, B, D. Minor of A, the first, is M11. That is, after deleting row and column, we get D1. Then the cofactor of A, the same element A, is a minus 1 power, that 1 plus 1 into M11. It is minus 1 square into D. That is simply D1. You know it. Similarly, minor of B, the row and column is deleted. That is M21, its position is C. Cofactor of the same element B is equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21. The minus 1 cube, M21 is already is there C. So it is a minus C. Okay, now? Like that, remaining C and D, you, with your own effort, you find it. Okay, now? That is the thing. Yeah. Next, we'll go to solve the number 2, orbit number 2, and I am going to find the, for this one. It is given as a homework. to do as a homework. Right. In the 2, Roman 2. It is capital A is a determinant 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It is a determinant. You mentioned modulus of A or det A or delta also. Very simple, delta. If you write it as a delta. Okay, na? Yeah. For this one, we have to find the minor and cofactor. Minor of 1. Directly, I am without expanding, without explaining, I am going directly. You see that it is M11 because first row, first column. After doing this one, we get 5 minus 1, 1, 2. This is 10 minus 1 into minus 1. 10 means 5 into 2. That is 10 plus 1. That is 11. And first I write the cofactors. Minus. Or otherwise, side by side we will solve it. This is cofactor. Cofactor of 1 is capital A1. You write the notation for this one, capital A11. So it is minus 1 power 1 plus 1 and M11. That is minus 1 whole square into 11 is square. So it is 11 1. The minor of 0. For 0, the minor is, after deleting this one, it is M12, it is determinant 3 minus 1, 0 and 2. It is 6 minus 0 into 1 is 6 1. Cofactor of 0. It is here 1 2. It is minus 1 power 1 plus 2. And M12. It is minus 1 cube into 6 is minus 6. Similarly, minor of 4. It is M13. That is after deleting the row and the column, we get the minor determinant 3 5 0 1. After deleting the row and the column 3 5 0 1 is nothing but 3 into 1 minus 0 into 5 is 3 1. Cofactor. That is cofactor of 4 is nothing but here 1 3. That is minus 1 power 1 plus 3. You have to find the difference between minor and cofactor. Minor is a number, a determinant of 2 by 2. Cofactor is also same, but it is multiplied by the minus 1 power, its position 1 plus 3 here. 1 3. It is minus 1 power 4. 1 3. M13 is 3 1. So it is 3. Okay, na? That is in the first one. Okay, na? I want to erase. Next. Similarly, the cofactor of 3, that is the position is, what is the position? The position of 3 is second row, first column. It is M21. After deleting this one, we get the 0 4 1 2. That is 0 minus 4 is minus 4. The cofactor of 3 is nothing but A21. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21 is minus 1 cube into minus 4. Minus plus 4. The cofactor of 5 is M22. It is second order, second column. M22. After deleting row and column, we get 1402. Okay, now 1402. After deleting this one. So it is 2 minus 0 is 2. The cofactor of 5 is here 2. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 2. The M22, that is minus 1 power 4 into M22 is 2, is again 2. Minus 1 power even number is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. Again it is minus 1. It is M23. It is after deleting the row and column, we get 1 0 0 1. It is 1, we know it well. The cofactor of minus 1 is A23. That is minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into 1. That is minus 1. Okay, now? Like that, you had solved. Similarly, the row 1 and row 2 is completed. The elements of row 1 and row 2, we are finding the cofactor and the minor. Now, the third one. Minor of 0 is minor of 0. It is 0, this 0. It is row and column is related, we get 0, 4, 5 minus 1. How much? It is 0 minus 20. 0 into 1 is 0, minus 20 is minus 20. The cofactor of 0 is nothing but minus 1 power. The position of this 0, not that 0. This 0 is nothing but third row and first column. 3 plus 1 into m is minus 20. So minus 1 power 4 into minus 20 is simply minus 20. And cofactor of 1, minor of 1. This is m 3 2. This is 3 2. After deleting this, we get the determinant 1 4 3 minus 1. It is minus 1 minus 12. While we are calculating, doing the arithmetic, be careful. 1 into minus 1 minus 3 into 4 is this one. This is minus 30. The cofactor of the same element 1 is the minus 1 power. Its position is 3 plus 2, third row, second column. Into M32 is minus 13. This is minus 1 power 5 into minus 13 is simply plus 13. Minus and minus. The last one. This is M33. Is this one. After deleting the row and column, we get 1 0 3 5. It is 1 into 5 minus 3 into 0 is 5. The cofactor of 2 is M33. That is minus 1 power 3 plus 3. It's a position and M33. This is minus 1 power 6 into 5. It is 5 only. Because minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 into 5 is 5. Like that we have to calculate. While we are finding the minor and cofactor. Cofactor is very difficult because the minus 1 power its position is there. Plus 2 minus that arithmetic is very, very important. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. Next, third one. Using the cofactors of the elements of the second row, we are asked finding the cofactors related with the second row, and then we have to evaluate the value of a determinant. We are given delta is equal to, this is given, delta is equal to 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 2 3. This is the determinant, yeah. And we are asked expansion in the second row. This is row 2. You see, cofactor of 2, which is A21. Its position is important. A21. That is nothing but minus 1 power 2 plus 1. And you delete directly this row on the column, we get the minus 3823. It is nothing but minus 1 whole cube, and it is 9 minus 16. It is minus 1 into minus 7 is 7. Okay, now. Again, cofactor of 0. The cofactor of 0, first, it is nothing but A22 minus 1 power 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 into M22 minus 1 power 4. What is M22? After deleting this 1, 5, 8, 1, 3 is there. 5, 8, 1, 3 is there. This is minus 1 power 4 means it is 1 only, and it is 15 minus 8, it is simply 7 again. Okay? Next, cofactor of 1. That is second row, third column. Here 2, 3. The minus 1 power 2 plus 3. M23. That is minus 1 power 5. Determinant. Okay, now the row and column. After deleting the row and column, we get 5, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now 5, 3, 1, 2. Yeah. This is minus 1 power odd number 5 means minus 1. It is 10 minus 3. It is minus 7. Minus 1 power 5. This is minus 1. Minus 1 into this is 10 minus 3, 7. Minus 7. Now these are the cofactors. First question is over. Now determinant. You see, observe. 1 second we recall. What is the determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix? Is, I remember it. The determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is the sum of, okay, now, the sum of product of all elements of any row or any column. Try to understand. The sum of product of elements of any row, any column of the given matrix multiplied with the corresponding cofactors. Here I want to find the determinant in the expanding of in the second row. Why? Because second row cofactors are there. That is nothing but A21 capital A21, A22 capital A22, A23 capital A23. Okay, now you see this is a sum. What type of sum? Product is there. Sum of product of all elements of second row, that can be with the corresponding cofactors. A21 capital A21, A22 capital A22, A23 capital A23. A21 is 2 into, that is 7, plus 0 into, again 7, plus that 1 into, that is minus 7. So it is 14 plus 0 minus 7. So again we get 7. Okay, now? Here this definition must be needed. The definition itself is asked in 1 mark or 2 marks. So it is important. A21 capital A21. That means the sum of elements multiplied by their corresponding cofactors. Okay, now? Like that. So it is 2, its cofactor is 7. 0, its cofactor is again 7. 1 its cofactor is minus 7. Like that we make the sum of a product. The answer is 7. Like that. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, Nana? That is our fourth one. Same here also the same thing. We are given a delta is equal to 1xyz 1yzx 1zxy. We are asked to find the cofactors of the elements of third column. So cofactor of the element yz, the column, that is nothing but a1 3, first row, third column, minus 1 power 1 plus 3, and after deleting the row and column, it is 1y 1z. Be careful, this one and this one. That is nothing but minus 1 power 4 into z minus y. So it is z minus y only. Cofactor of zx, z2 3, second row, third column. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 3. Determinant of relating this one, the row and column, 1x, 1z is there. Minus 1 power 5, it is z minus x. Z into 1 z minus 1 into x, x. That is nothing but x minus z. Minus is there. Be careful. Minus 1 power odd number is minus, and we interchange x minus z. The cofactor of xy, it is xy. This is a 3 3, the last element. This one. A 3 3, second, third row, third column. That is minus 1 power 3 plus 3. You can determine 1x, 1y. So it is minus 1 power 6. It is y minus x. So it is simply y minus x1. Why? Because minus 1 power 6 even number is plus 1. 1 is something, something. Okay, now, now delta is equal. Now, as already I told I explained the definition of determinant is determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. That is the sum of product of all elements of third column. Here I am explaining and expanding in the third column. All elements of third column with their corresponding cofactors. So it is A313, A13, capital A13 plus A, it is 23 into A23. A, it is 23, no, 23. It is 33, is also A33. Okay, now it is simply yz into, that is z minus x. This is zx into x minus z. A33 is xy into y minus x. Okay, na? Already we solved the cofactors, and simply you apply the A13 first row third column, that yz. A23 second row third column, that is zx, next xy. Now we multiply. It is y z square minus xyz. It is z x square minus, okay, na? Is it correct? See, zx into, right, okay. It is z square, yes. It is x y square minus x square y. Here also I think it is yz, y minus z. Y that is z minus y. Yeah. It is z minus y, and here is x minus z, that is y minus x. Yeah, okay. So it is y z square, and it is y square z. Okay, now like that it can be expanded. You simply leave here only, because these are the main steps of the problem. Okay, now like this we can solve. The last one I want to explain. This objective question is very simple, and in the definition itself is there. The sixth one, delta is equal to, we are given this one, and Aij is a cofactor. Delta is a general determinant of delta matrix. You see, 3 by 3. And what is delta? Delta is, you see, delta means it is the product of elements with its corresponding cofactors. A11, A31. Now, here A11 must be there. A11, small a1, capital A11 must be there. Here A31 is the cofactor of small a31. But it is not the correct definition. So it is not correct. Here also, A21 capital A11, A22 capital A12. So it is also wrong. Here also A11, here it is A11 character, A11 capital A11 is there. A12 is there, but here A21, it is wrong. It is also wrong. A13, A31. But the fourth, last is correct. A11, I will write here. A11, capital A11. A12, A21 is there. A21 and capital A21. A31 is there and capital A31 is there. This is the determinant expanded in the which column? This is A11, A21. This is the first column, not first row, first column. In this column, A11, capital A11. A21, capital A21. A31, capital A31. So this is D as the answer. Okay, now? Right. Okay? Thank you.